What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing and first impression video here on my channel. Today I have the iPhone 12 Pro in the graphite color, so I would say we check it out right after the intro. Alright, so the day is here. Here is the new iPhone 12 Pro, the phone we've been waiting on, and I will unbox it now and share my first impressions to a quick comparison with the iPhone 11 Pro. And I would say we jump right into it. You see the box this year is a bit smaller. It's really slim this year for whatever reason. I mean, the reason is obvious because we have no power adapter, but I would say we unbox it now. So we just peel this off, take the plastic, really easy as usual, and then we can lift the box and there we go. We already see the iPhone. So this is how the packaging looks inside. For those who are interested, you have this cut out for the camera. So the iPhone is with its backside. In the past it often was like that it was with the front side towards us, but now we have it from the back side. I will put it aside for now. We see what else we have in the box, and that is the first thing probably I will mention in a bit. So here we have a small sleeve now. You can see smaller as usual. We have the SIM ejector tool, some manuals, and one Apple sticker. So yeah, they reduced that. I mean, I still wonder who needs that stickers. I don't know, I never use them for anything, but that's only me. And then as you can see, we have a lightning cable, but this time it's lightning to USB-C. And that's my first point I want to mention. I mean, we have no power adapter, and Apple on their keynote they said they do this for the environment and to reduce costs, blah blah blah. But for me this is weird, you know, because yes, many people will upgrade from their previous iPhones, but previous iPhones always had the power adapter with a regular USB port. So I mean, now you have to buy a adapter. If you buy the one from Apple here in Europe, it's around 25 euros. That's also around $25. And if you buy a third-party one, it's also not that cheap. I guess maybe you get it for 10, 15 euros, something like that. But I mean, they didn't reduce the price for the phone. The box is smaller, so they save on shipping, so they can ship more phones at once. But yeah, I mean, in the end, I think the customer pays for that, and that's not right in my opinion, but that's just me. But let's get to the phone. So here we have it. We have the back side. Let's have a look at the cameras. You can see the three cameras. Here we have the LiDAR scanner and obviously the LED flash, the three cameras. And yeah, it looks really good and also feels really good. It's a different feeling, I have to say. And that's my main reason why I got this phone, because after 3 years with the iPhone 10 and then the 11, it's really nice to have a new design. It's really, really nice. So I put this on the table and peel it off. Always a nice feeling to do that. It's also new, I think, this plastic they put on now. So in the past I think it was always a clear one, but yeah, here we have it in all its glory. I mean, basically it's nothing new. The operating system is on my iPhone 11 Pro for a while, so we already know that, but it looks really good. And I like this. I still call it the space gray. I know they call it the graphite or graphite or however you want to spell that, but it looks really nice. And with that stainless steel around, I mean, you see it's a fingerprint magnet. I don't know how good this is visible on the camera now, but yeah, the stainless steel on the side is definitely fingerprint magnet, but it's really sleek, the design and the glass, how it's inside that frame. It's really, really nice. Let's turn this on so maybe we can see some of the display. Okay, and there we have it. It's active. Don't know if I can change anything right now. I need to set this up obviously now, but I will get my iPhone 11 Pro now and I will put it next to it, and then you can see it compared to the 12 Pro. Alright guys, so the setup is still running on the 12 Pro, which is on the right side, and on the left side I have my iPhone 11 Pro, and you can see it's a difference in the display size, and also the bezels look way slimmer on the 12 Pro in my opinion, because it's not rounded anymore. So you can see here you have these bubble edges which are not existent anymore on the 12 Pro. So for me it looks way better and way sleeker on the 12 Pro, but let's have a look around the phones as well. I have the box of the iPhone 12 Pro here, so to have them exactly on the same level, and you can see there's not a really big difference in size. I mean, the 12 Pro is a bit higher obviously because the display is a bit bigger as well, but honestly I already had it in my hand now for a while for the setup process. It still feels really nice and I don't really notice a difference in size when I hold it. So we can also do it like that and put it together here. Alright, so I have them right next to each other and you can see there's not a big difference as well. So they are almost the same width, almost the same height. I noticed the iPhone 12 Pro is a bit slimmer than the 11 Pro. So if I put this aside here, you can see it from this side. Put the cameras in the right direction. So it looks bigger in my opinion, but it really does not feel bigger. So if we have them on top, you can see almost the same width when I do it like that. And also from the button layout, you have the power button here, or the button to unlock. In my case there's no 5G antenna here in Europe. On the other side we can see we have the switch to make it silent. We have the power, we have the volume buttons up and down. So these got a bit bigger in my opinion, also look a bit different though, but I mean it looks thicker, but in reality it's not. So if you put it right next to it, you can feel there's a little gap, so it's a bit thinner. Alright, so that's it for the first impression of the iPhone, a quick comparison with the 11 Pro. I will turn it around a bit now so you can see it. I mean, we already checked it out before, so the button layout and the silent switch, the mute switch, it's also nice and working like it's supposed to work. On the bottom we have the lightning port, which is right in the middle right now, the speakers and the microphone, so everything is where it was before. It's just that boxy design, and honestly I really like it. I'm happy that they have this new design right now. There's only this one thing I mentioned before. I don't find it right that they exclude the power adapter. I could live without the headphones. The headphones are not an issue because I have my Bluetooth earpods or whatever you use. Maybe you already have wireless headphones, but to exclude the power adapter, because not everyone has the USB-C, and don't reduce the price for the $20 or $25. I don't really like this fact, but that's it for this first impression unboxing and quick comparison with the 11 Pro. Hope you liked this video. If so, leave a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. I will also unbox the car coil braided loop band for the Apple Watch, so stay tuned. Thanks everyone for watching and your support. See you next time. Bye bye.